Welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is again tensor calculus, kroneckar delta. This is called kroneckar delta. Everyone know this term, kroneckar delta. So del ik is equal to del xi divided by del xk, and del KL equals to del xk divided by del xl, and del li equals to del xl divided by del xi. So putting this value in here, so I can write this is equals to, this value equals to omega. So omega equals to del xi del xk into del xk divided by del xl into del xl divided by del xi. So thus the value is del I, and del I is equal to del 1 plus, because this is the Einstein summation convention, up to plus del in equals to in. So I hope I can clear this total concept. Thanks for watching.